It's a holiday, America can't hold me now. Christmas a J.A., what a happy crowd. Where the dance them, they from country come a town. I'm coming home. It's a holiday, Britain can't hold me now. Christmas a J.A., what a happy crowd. Where the dance them, they from country come a town. The wine cake set a record. Red label wine, sorry, I go sell off. Paint up the place, whitewash.
Face and wind up on our pum pum. Them say a boxing man, you know? And it's only you.
Alright guys, good night. Say hello to the vlog. It's been a while since I've talked to you guys. I'm so sorry. But right now we're gonna go get ice cream and it's very dark outside, as you can see. So you're probably not gonna be able to see anything, but the last clip that I do have recorded is from last night when we went out. You probably saw all the cool fire shows and everything. It was very fun, eh? Yeah, so now we're gonna go get ice cream. Tomorrow we're leaving out early to go to Negril to drop off Natoya and Craig. So ready? Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you had a great New Year's, and okay, you're probably going to be seeing this after New Year's. I'm so behind on all the vlogs, but yeah, hopefully we all caught up in the next coming weeks. Bear with me, we'll leave for content to come. Yeah, I got an ice cream cone. So good.
so stop walking up. When you dance to the vocal dance, if you ain't got the dance, dance to this.
Chacha boy, Julius, freak time for me. Tell you like kick like Jackie Chan. Rolex, that's the phenomenon. We get it from a Barbie.
Okay, good morning, guys. So as you can see, as you probably saw from the earlier clips, I don't know if I put them in the videos from yesterday or if I put them in for this morning, but I went out this morning and I'm not gonna lie, it's probably one of the most fun parties that I've been to all year. It was really nice. I got home and everybody was on the veranda because we're supposed to leave for Negril at 5 to drop off my cousin and her son, and 5 o'clock touch, no, 4:30 touch. I'm say, alright, Jesus, I have to leave now, like I have to leave. And I tell the person who bring me, I say, yo, I have to leave now, like no. And then mommy started calling. Mommy called like 50 times. And I'm like, Jesus, please. Mommy, if you ever watch this vlog, it was fun. If you ever watch this vlog. But mommy called like 50 times and I ignored all 50 calls. So when I reach home, tell me why everybody, and I mean everybody, my grandparents, everybody is awake, sitting on the veranda, awake for me. I'm gonna say, like, I don't even know what to tell them. My eyes is red right now. I'm very tired. I haven't slept since 12. I haven't slept since 12. And then I slept for 3 hours before that. So I'm gonna really have much sleep, but party shell, it was so nice. We're on our way to Negril right now. I'm gonna tell my auntie Annie bye because she's leaving for Chicago. Christmas season, holiday season is officially over. New Year's is coming up, so I'll probably have some fun things to do, but I'm gonna tell her bye. So I'll see you guys. The party was so much fun. I had so much fun. And normally I hate going to parties because normally, like I said, I don't really enjoy it. I have like a mini anxiety thing when I'm around large groups. Personally, don't like it, but it was so much fun. I enjoyed my time fully. Like, it was the best. Trelawny, I'll pull up the car. Yeah, because we're about to drive to Negril right now. So I'm gonna tell Auntie Annie bye, and I'll see you guys later. I'll probably come back when I'm in Negril, or probably since I'm driving. So insert driving clips now. I'm gonna take a camera off of you, man. Come on.
Ackee and saltfish,
Yeah.
wild dumpling and banana.
Yeah,
Oh,
good food.
Yep.
And now I have a mixture of peanut porridge and corn. How many? Or how many mean, mommy? But it's hot right now. But just mostly it's peanuts and corn. And we're back on the road again. Okay, so we're in Negril now. As you can see, I'm laid up, booed up. I actually took a shower in my cousin's hotel room because from the beginning of the vlog until now, been all over the place. So it feels nice. We're all Mets. Everything is really nice. I don't think I'm gonna go in the water, not this time. But I am feeling really good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give the video a like, comment, and subscribe. Just gonna chill out, lay down, enjoy, eat some food. Yeah, mommy's over there on the phone. Rowan is on the other side. Latoya and Greg just went. Let me talk to the. Yeah, it wouldn't be quite fair that I still got Greg. Oh, the water not cold. It's not cold. Oh. Yes, so guys, we're at the beach. This is 7 Mile Strip. The 7 Mile Strip in Negril. I'm just gonna go out and get a dip because, like I said, I took a shower, so now I didn't lotion and I look very dry. I'm just gonna get some water on my body, on my shoulder, my hand, and now we're going to do this again, make it look like we're going to the water. And my ass, let me get some of my ass. Yes guys, you just saw that. Alright, everybody is vlogging. Alright, see, they look like I went into the water. Bye. Watch.